So the videos that Delta Math offers to help you with these word problems are using a TI-84 calculator, and I just wanted to take a minute or two to point out that everything that he does on this calculator you can do on Desmos. So you should watch the videos and listen to what he says about minimums and maximums and zeros and everything like that. The only difference is when he says something about entering it into the calculator. I can't find the time exactly, but when he says something, oh, there it is. When he enters it into the calculator, you're simply going to enter it on Desmos. And you can just enter the X part, or you can enter Y equals, either one. Now, the next thing that he does is he talks about looking at the window to see what kind of numbers that you need. You don't have to do that. You don't have to look at the table on here. You can just simply, zoom in, zoom out, and kind of adjust the window that way. So now that we can see it, we can see down here that we don't need negative 600 all the way to 1,400. We just need, probably negative 10 to, I don't know, let's just try, we fix our negative 10 to, let's try 100. Yeah, that's a nice enough picture. The Y values are fine where they are. So this is how you set your windows. So when he talks about looking at his table, he's just looking for values to figure out how to set his window. And then I think that's what he does. Here is where he's setting his window. You're going to set your window right here, and then he starts talking about finding maximums, and if it had one at minimum, you don't have to do all that. All you got to do is click on the graph, and when you click on the graph, here is your maximum value. Here is your zeros right down here. They automatically pop up, and all you have to do is hover on top of them. Now, he is going to talk to you about this is a maximum value, and I think this is, I don't even remember. Company sells widgets. It's a profit. So Y is money, and X is the price. So here we have to sell the widgets at $18.88 in order to make a maximum profit of $565. And then this down here is telling you that if we only make 6.9 widgets, we're not going to make any money. And if we make 30.7 widgets, we're not going to make any money. So this is where we start making money at 6.9 widgets. This is where we stop making money. So you just have to pay close attention to what your x-axis and y-axis represent so that you can pay attention to what your x value is telling you and what your y value is telling you. So these are going to be the things that you want to find. You want to find your maximum, and if it's a graph that opens like this, then you would find your minimum. There would be your minimum value, okay, and you're going to be asked to find a maximum profit, minimum, maybe a minimum profit, and where something is zero, where it starts or where it stops. If this was a gravity problem, this would be where it leaves the ground, and this is where it comes back and hits the ground again. So anyway, even though he is using a TI-84 calculator, you can skip over the parts where he tells you how to use the calculator, but you can still listen to what he talks about when he's explaining you what a minimum is, what a maximum is, and all that kind of stuff. So you should still watch his videos, but just understand that you are going to be on the Desmos calculator. So one other thing you can do, you guys know if you just click on your graph, you can trace it. And this is X and Y values that are on this graph. And that's the same thing that he's doing whenever he goes and looks at a table, is he's seeing these points right here. Okay, so anything that the graphing calculator will do, that TI-84 will do, your Desmos will do too.